Hello everyone. Do you have this magical powder in your kitchen? If not, you should have it. This is so simple and so easy, and you can easily prepare with those ingredients available in your kitchen itself. These ingredients we use it regularly, but we never used it together. So when you mix it together, you will truly have this magical powder. This powder turns your boring curries into tasty and yummy dishes. So while late, let us start. Firstly, take a pan and then add 1 full cup of coriander seeds. That is 4 tablespoons here I have taken. That cup measurement is 4 tablespoons. So take coriander seeds and then 4 garlic cloves and then 2 tablespoons of white sesame seeds and then 2 tablespoons of cumin or jeera. Now add all these ingredients into the pan and place it on the stove and put the flame in low or sim and then fry it till they turn golden brown, or else till you get the nice aroma of the coriander seeds. Then turn off the flame and put it aside. Allow these ingredients to cool for a while. See, your sesame seeds, they should not burn but just get light golden brown color as shown here. Now on the other hand, take the same pan and add 6 tablespoons of peanuts or groundnuts, that is 1.5 cup with which I have shown you. And then add red chili. The red chili should be equal to the quantity of the groundnut. So here I have added 8 to 12 red chilies. So give it a nice fry. Remember, your chilies should not burn or turn black. And then turn off the flame and then put it aside. Now after cooling these cumin, coriander, garlic and sesame seeds, now add it into the mixie jar and then blend it nicely into a coarser manner. Remember, you should not blend it thoroughly, otherwise the oil from the sesame seeds that oozes out and then that doesn't give you this powdery mixture, but that will be a little bit of watery consistency or a thick consistency. Now our groundnuts are cooled. Now this is time to blend the groundnuts and red chilies also. Once you blend it, you will get this type of consistency because we have oil in the groundnuts also. So this is the consistency. Now put it aside and take a bigger jar and then add all the groundnut mixture into the bigger jar. After adding this, you need to add the coriander powder also, which we have blended and put it aside earlier. That mixture also you need to add it and just give it a nice blend, that is in the reverse mode, for 2 to 3 minutes. That's it. Do not over blend this both mixtures. That's it. See how powdery and how dry it is. This is the right consistency. Your magical powder is all ready. Now you can add these in different curries. I'll show you in the coming videos what magic you can do with this magical powder, but before that, when you blend it, you will get a nice aroma and very tempting also. So grab white rice along with ghee, serve it and enjoy.